Okay, so this is a quick video on the installation or the wiring of these mirror turn signal lights that were bought through Car Trim Home. Thanks to VAG for making this possible at a great price. If you do not have the 4Runners that have the blinkers, the LEDs or the blinkers to the outside, then you'll have to wire it yourself because there's no wiring for it. All you have here is your mirror, the heaters for the mirror, the cabling here, and this is what moves the mirror itself. So after about an hour or so taking panels off and figuring out how to do this, I found the easiest way, which I'm okay with. You know, it's not the cleanest way, but I think it looks good. So anyway, I removed this top, of course, the mirror first. Unplug that. You remove this top piece that just pops off. You just pry it off. And then there's another piece down here that you pry off also. No bolts. Here they are. And then there's one more in here that you remove. That one right there, which is this one, that just pops off also. Gotta love Toyota. Anyway, so once you've popped this out, you remove these 3 bolts. That's going to fall that way, but it's not going to fall off because it's being held by these cables here. Then you feed your wire through here. When you feed your wire through there, you're gonna this part's off, right? So you're gonna feed it through in here. Down here, you pull it, then you feed it up there. It's the blue cable that I have. Then it comes out up through here. Okay, and then of course I'm just going to cut it to length. And here's the connections. Let me go this way now. From here, I fed it through this top portion. You can see it right here, but you can't see the wire because I covered it with this corrugated thing, you know, like for the wiring, so it won't look ugly, so it won't look like a wiring is sticking out. So that looks pretty clean. So here's your wire. You know, you just stick it through there, you feed it through there, then it's going to come out through in here. See, just move this plastic piece, stick your fingers in there, and then you'll be able to grab it and you pull it out. So I'm going to hide it in here, in this piece. And then I grabbed it from my James Aiden running my turn signal here, but that's it. It was fairly simple after figuring it out. You know, again, it's those 3. You pop the plastic thing, really easy to pop out. One thing about these bolts or these nuts, sorry, be careful when you're pulling them out that you grab them so they won't fall, because one fell. I dropped one and it went down here, so I had to remove the whole panel and the speaker, and it was more time consuming. But that's it. There it is. You know, it wasn't too bad. Now that the other side I'll probably be able to do in about 15 minutes. This side it took me over an hour trying to figure it out. I took all this apart, all the back panel off. I actually took the door panel just because that bolt fell off, but I just had to do some troubleshooting. I didn't want to bring the wire down through here and then go through here because it seemed very complicated. I did try, because if you do it through there, then it comes through the inside of the cabin, and then you have to push it through the firewall. I couldn't get anything through the firewall, so that's it. The LED Car Trim Home turn signal LED lights.